What's up guys, I hope you guys are doing well. So today I have got the Xiaomi Poco M3 and it is side by side with the Oppo A92. As we know that the Poco M3 is the lightest mid-range smartphone which is much cheaper than the Oppo A92. So in this video we are gonna see the gaming performance and find out which is best and which one you should buy, especially for heavier games such as Pubg mobile game, Fortnite and Call of Duty mobile game. So let's not waste any further time and get into the speed test. So starting from the boot up test and 3, 2, 1. Now let's see which one of them is going to be the winner of this race. Let's talk about some basic specifications on the Poco M3. We have got Snapdragon 662 chipset and 4GB of RAM, while on the Oppo A92 we have got Snapdragon 665 chipset and 8GB of RAM. So the Oppo A92 have got a little bit updated chipset and higher RAM. So let's see who is going to be the winner of this race. And well, I'm just shocked because the Poco M3 has won the first boot up test, and I think it was around 4-second difference in a first boot up test, which is quite disappointing. Now you guys can see I have installed nearly the same applications and I'm about to try these apps one by one on both of them. So with the help of these apps we are gonna see the gaming performance of the Poco M3 against the Oppo A92. Well, before starting the speed test, you guys can see both of them have got the same Wi-Fi connection and also everything is completely turned off. So starting from some basic applications, and the first one is going to be phone dialer. Well, you can see it was slightly quicker here on the A92 and it was about the same. Camera, well, you can see again this one goes to the Oppo A92. Now coming to the third party applications to see the real difference between the Poco M3 and the Oppo A92. So guys, it was a gaming test. We will talk about that, which is best and which one you should buy. But before going into that, I would like to do the RAM management test because that is also very important. So stay tuned. Welcome back guys, so it was a gaming test and RAM management test between the Poco M3 and the Oppo A92, and as you guys saw here, the gaming performance and the RAM management, somehow the Oppo A92 was performing better than the Poco M3, but it is much expensive and the difference was not that huge in a gaming performance. So if you are just a social media user and playing some small games on your smartphone, I will definitely prefer the Poco M3 over the Oppo A92. Also the Poco M3 have got 6000 mAh massive battery which will stay longer than the Oppo A92, but also you guys are the one to judge, so I would like to know your thoughts in the comment section about both of them. Okay guys, it was all from us for today. Make sure to subscribe our channel and give thumbs up to this video. I will really appreciate that. Thanks for watching us and we'll see you in my next video.